Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make free gaming logos using AI. For latest editing material and editing tricks, subscribe my channel. First of all, open the Bing application or search Bing image creator in the Google. Click on the first link. Now enter your prompt which you have copied from the description of the video. You can change the name. After that, click on the create. It will take few seconds to generate the AI logos. Wow, you have seen that many beautiful images are shown to us. Click on picture, go to these three dots. By touching the download option, you will get the picture in your gallery. Slide the pictures and choose other logos as well. If you have problem in your name of the logo, you can regenerate the pictures. Let's try another logo. By replacing the name and clicking on the create, we will get the images of our gaming logos. Enjoy these beautiful logos. Must try these logos for yourself for free. Let's try another sample.